Hello guys, welcome back. And yes, I did get a mane tamer haircut. Alright, so today I'm on my bed because my table is full of stuff. And we will be unboxing the Sparks. This is the Sparks. I don't know. Anyways, this is pretty much a really nice presentation. It is a classic lighter, classic Zippo-like looking thing. And let's take it out of the box here. So it looks like a Zippo, right? Oh wait, what is this? Huh? Why are there two little things right here? And then the button right here. What is... Oh! Sorry. So it's not a classical lighter, it's actually... When you push the button, it'll go. Has a time limit, it'll stop itself here in just a second. See, it stopped itself, so you can't hold it forever. Probably so you don't blow something up on accident, I don't know. And then, if you try and close it as it's closing, it has a safety there. Yeah. Alright, let's see what else we have in this box. Alright, so we have the USB. Let's open this up. Then we got some paper here. Use away from face, body, clothing, and flammable materials. Do not puncture or use near open electronic arc frame. So this pretty much is a Tesla lighter. Yes, not the car, but the actual technology. The guy, the man himself, Tesla. The sound is weird though. Like, it can be really annoying. Let's see if I can find some paper. Nah. But yeah, that is my unboxing of the... That looks so cool. That is my unboxing of the... What was this called again? That is my unboxing of the Sparks Zippo electrical Tesla lighter. So if you enjoyed it, make sure you hit that little thumbs up. And if you want more videos like this, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. Nobody likes red, so click the subscribe and get rid of the red. And thumbs up, yeah. So, thanks for watching.